Sorry about that, guys. So here we go. The figure out of packaging. Nicely, good, nice. I like the elite articulation to it. Alright, let's take off this wig. Come on. Alright, just a minute. I gotta put the camera down. Yeah. Oh, looks like a bald baby's butt. Alright, that's pretty cool. I like it. Okay. Whoa. Now for El Torito. Oh wow, they put rubber bands around him, but not Hornswoggle. Alright, let's see. How are we gonna take this out of here? Come on. There you go. One arm. There you go. There's the other arm. There you go. We got El Torito out of packaging. Alright guys, there's El Torito. Nicely done. I like them in red. Alright guys, thank you for watching. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye!